Join me today as we pick the Peewee Morels of Wisconsin and introduce a parrot to morel mushroom hunting. A Peewee granny. Hello. Hello, Shroomers, spore walkers, and mushroom-loving folk. This is Tattooed Granny and Jake with our small haul of Morel mushrooms. So far, Jake is just getting introduced to them, but I think he'll be backpacking with me all spring. Breakfast of Champions before I check one of my honey holes in Wisconsin today. Trill is an American toad. There's the one that I think is going to produce a lot right there, next to a couple of really dead ones, and one that's still alive right there. Let's go see. Let's go see if he made anything for me. He's a beauty. He's a beauty. There he is. He's turning white. I love it. This guy right here. My spot was marked. We're going to remove that mark. Oh, and there's a mushroom. Oh, yeah. Knocked him over. Sorry, buddy. We're just starting here. Let's look around. Here's a dead one. No good. Wishy. Can't believe only one mushroom here. Someone's been in here picking. Oh, here's one. Here's one. There's one. They're smalls. I let them to grow. Guess what's going to happen? Picked. This is a busy, busy spot. Where's that one I just saw? They just disappear on you. They just go. I know he's here, so I'm not leaving till I find him. See the morel there? And then walnuts, which will always trick ya. A Peewee granny. Gonna make my dad some scrambled eggs with these. I picked a couple that were rotten and I left. Not that they'll spore or anything, but teeny tiny. All the walnut pieces to fool me. I noticed where the roots are going. I went across the trail and I found a couple over here. So that's something to be aware of. Where the roots go, the morels will grow. Here, look. In the sun, little dude. Most of these are frostbitten, getting rotten. Picking them, probably the best thing. I don't think they'll make it otherwise. But that's the tree. He's completely dead. There's another tree next to him with leaves. That's what you're seeing. Here's my second dead one. We'll be checking here. Right in the middle. Gonna be looking all up in here for smalls and whatever. Let's see if we get some. See if he's got some. Let's look. Let's see. He's a smushed little guy. Smushy. Dead cottonwood. Don't usually find them around these guys, but got one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's smalls by the trail. Come on. Okay. Okay. Another peewee. I'll say no. Elm seeds. They're kind of fuzzy. Another gorgeous dead one. Looks picked. Now look. I got eagle eyes. Nice little mess. I know they're tiny. We're going to eat them though. We're going to eat these up. Oh yes. That's Jake, the rescue parrot. I'm going to teach him how to hunt morels. Yeah. Pretty bird. Enjoying a tasty treat. Doesn't really care. Doesn't mind that he's outside. Having a good time. Yeah, what are you doing? What are you up to? What is that? Who's that guy? I'm a good bird. I'm a big boy. Yeah. Birds are out here. You see them? What are you doing? Jake is always watching. Hey, you're going to be a morel mushroom hunting parrot. Yes, yes you, morel mushroom hunting bird.